Hello students, in this video we will talk about triangle inequality, triangle and inequality. So let's first know what is the meaning of triangle inequality, and before that we must know the meaning of inequality. So what is the meaning of inequality? Equality we all know means something that is equal. And what is the meaning of inequality here? Inequality means something, or in maths we can say value, which is always greater or less. So this is inequality. In the triangle also we will study the same, that if we add two sides then it will must be greater than the third side. For this, we are performing an activity here about triangle inequality. Here we will check how can we say that sum of two sides or any two sides is greater than the third side. Here in the first diagram, as we can see, I have a triangle ABC, triangle ABC. Here I have taken AB as C, which is 7.2 centimeter. Then I have taken AC, which is as B and is 7.4 centimeter. Then I have taken BC, which is A and equals to 9 centimeter. So I have to check whether the property of triangle inequality here satisfies or not. So if I add two sides here, let's suppose, so mainly triangle inequality here really means that if we add two sides, let's suppose I add AB and BC, then it will always be greater than AC, or if I add AC and BC, then it will always be greater than AB. So let us check it. If I add A plus B means 9 plus 7.4, this is equals to 16.4 centimeter, and C is 7.2 centimeter. Here I can see that A plus B is greater than C. Likewise, if I add B and C, B is 7.4 centimeter and C is 7.2 centimeter. The value comes out to be 14.6 centimeter and A is 9 centimeter here. So therefore, here also I can see that B plus C is greater than A. And if I check it for the third one, that is C plus A, then also it will be greater than B. You can check it for yourself. So in this triangle, we have found if I add any two sides, either A, C, it will be greater than B, or if I add A, B, it will be greater than C, and likewise. Now let us come to another triangle. This is a right angle triangle, we all know, and we have to check whether the property lies here also or not. So first we will add A and B, and we will check whether it is greater than C or not. Here A is 7 centimeter, B is 9.5 centimeter and C is 5 centimeter. So here A plus B will be equal to 7 plus 9.5 centimeter, that will be equal to 16.5 centimeter. As we can see, C is 5 centimeter, so it is greater than Therefore, A plus B is greater than C. Then we will take the another one, that is, let's suppose we take B plus C greater than A. We have to check whether it applies or not. First add B and C. If we are adding B and C, B value is 9.5, C is 5. The value comes out to be 14.5 centimeter, and where A is 7 centimeter. This is obviously equal. That is it equal or greater or smaller? We have to check. I can clearly see that B plus C is greater than A here. Now, for the third and the last one, the sides left is C and A. I have to check whether it is greater than B or not. So, C and A. C is 5, A is 7. The value comes out to be 12 and B is 9.5. Again, C plus A is greater than B. So, in this triangle also, the triangle inequality property holds as C plus A is greater than B, B plus A is greater than C, and C plus B is greater than A. And one more thing that I want to discuss, that a triangle is formed only when the triangle inequality holds here. Now for the third triangle, I want you everyone to do this and check whether the triangle inequality holds here or not. So far we have discussed that in a triangle, this is A, B, C. The measurements, and let us name it as PQR triangle. A plus B will be greater than C, B plus C will be greater than A, C plus A will be greater than B. This means that if we add any two sides of a triangle, it will always be greater than the third side. This is the thing that is being proved here, and this is triangle inequality, because no two sides sum is equal to the third side. They are always greater and not smaller also. They are always greater. And this is also a very important thing for the formation of triangle, as triangle can only be formed if these three conditions are fulfilled. If any of one condition is not the same, the triangle is not possible. I hope it is clear to everyone. So, the statement of triangle inequality is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. This is the statement of triangle inequality. Now, we are doing one example here. Which of the following can be the possible lengths in centimeter of the triangle? So, first part is 8, 10 and 15. What we have to do? We have to see that whether the triangle possibility will be here or not. So, for this condition, we all know that if I take A as 8, B as 10, C as 15, if you want you can make one triangle and do it also. Then A plus B must be greater than C, B plus C greater than A, and C plus A greater than B. So let us check it. 8 plus 10, that is 18. It is greater than 15. Now B plus C means 10 plus 15, which is 25. It is greater than 8. Then now C plus A, 15 plus 8, which is equal to 23, and it is greater than 10. All three conditions are satisfied here. Therefore, 8, 10, 15 can be the lengths of the sides of a triangle. As the three conditions are fulfilled, hence it is okay for the formation of triangle. Now let us move on to the second part. I am directly doing it here. I am first adding 18 and 10. The value comes out to be 28, obviously greater than 6. I am adding 10 and 6, which is 16. I can clearly see that it is not greater than 18. The property here doesn't satisfy. If I am taking it A, B, C, then B plus C is not greater than A here. So, from here also, we can clarify that the property here doesn't satisfy, the inequality here doesn't satisfy. If we want, we can do the third part also. That is 18 plus 6 equals to 24, which is greater than 10. But if I have already told you earlier, if one of the property also doesn't satisfy, if one of the condition doesn't satisfy, then the triangle will not form. As 16 is not greater than 18 here, as B plus C is not greater than A here. Therefore, the triangle will not form. These three conditions are very important. If one of the condition doesn't fulfill here, then the triangle will not form. Simple.